Hello and welcome to the live session by Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. I am Misbah, your maths educator, and we are over here on the Infinity Learn class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. And this is a session of the Pratham series for grade 9 students. In the previous session, we did the first class of algebraic identities, and in this session as well, we are going to do some more questions and the last algebraic identity according to your syllabus. So are you guys ready? Just confirm that in the chat, guys, and let's wait for some more seconds. Let other students join as well. So we are going to do the last identity, which you might feel that like it's a big identity, and we'll be doing some questions on the basis of those identities. So before actually starting with that identity, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc identity, we will be doing some questions on the identities which we have done in the previous session. So are you guys ready over here? Just confirm in the chat, guys, quickly. Okay, so let's start with it, guys. So you can try doing this question over here. If p square upon 16 minus q is equal to p by 4 minus 11 into p by 4 plus 11. So can you find the value of q over here? Can you tell the value of q, guys? Hello, Ashutosh. Hi, Samir. Welcome to this session. Can you try doing the first question over here and let me know the answer, the value of q over here? It's a very simple question. Okay, try doing this question, guys, and let me know the answer quickly. It is given that p square minus 16 is p square upon 16 minus q, that is p by 4 minus 11 into p by 4 plus 11. Welcome to this session, Saklan. Hello, Ansh. Hi, Vinay. Hello, Gamer Boy. Welcome to this session. Good afternoon, Gamer Boy. 121 you are getting. Okay, what about other students over here? It's a very simple question. So you see the right hand side over here, it is of the form a plus b, a minus b, right? So you know this identity, guys, right? A plus b, a minus b. What is that equal to? A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. You know this algebraic identity. It's a very simple identity. So you see this is of the form a minus b, a plus b. So it has to be a square minus b square. So p by 4 the whole square minus 11 square, right? So you see this will come out to be equal to p square upon 16 minus 121. So if you compare on both the sides of this, can I cancel out p square upon 16, p square upon 16? So we will be left with minus q, that is equal to minus 121. So from here, can I easily say that q will come out to be equal to plus 121. So therefore 121 is the answer. I'm doing good, Samir. I hope you're doing good as well. So any doubt in this question? Yeah, it's a very simple question. Any doubt in this? Ashutosh, Samir, Saklan, Ansh, Vinay, Gamer Boy. It's a very simple question on the very basic identity, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Any doubt in this, guys? Tell me. A very simple question indeed. Okay, so I guess we must move to the next question over here. Can you try doing this one? Can you find the value of this expression over here? 155 into 155 plus 155 into 55 plus 55 into 55 divided by 155 3 times minus 55 3 times over here. Hello, Ryan. Welcome to this session. Try doing this one and let me know the answer, guys. What will be the value of this thing? And needless to say, you don't have to directly calculate that, right? If you will actually find the square of 155 and so on, it will waste your time. It's an identity based question, right? So you must be able to identify that which identity is to be used in this question. Yeah, this question is also very easy, but it is easy when you know the identity. If you don't know the identity, it's obviously tough for you as well. Okay, so try doing this one and let me know the answer quickly, guys. Okay, Ashutosh is getting 1 upon 100. What about other students? So over here, can I just, for some time, can I say that A is equal to 155 and B is equal to 55? For some time, I can assume that, right? So you see the numerator will be what? 155 into 155. So can I say it is A square plus 155 we have assumed to be A and 55 we have assumed to be B. So it is A square plus AB plus b square, and in the denominator you have got a cube minus b cube. Isn't it of this form, guys? Tell me quickly. No, Sameer, we don't have English classes right now going on this channel. So I hope this is clear up till here. Now you just have to simplify the denominator. You see this is a square plus ab plus b square, and you remember the identity that a cube minus b cube is what, guys? A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. We have studied this algebraic identity in the previous class. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So you see this will be cancelled out or not. So what will be the answer? The answer is equal to 1 by a minus b. This is the answer. Now you see the value of a we have assumed to be 155. So it will give us 1 by 155. B is 55. So therefore the answer is 1 upon 100. If you want, you can write in decimal as well. It is 0.01. That is correct, Ashutosh. Very good. Ryan, see, you can say, although this is based on CBSE only, but many questions I take for Olympiads as well, you must have checked the Olympiad capsule questions on the Infinity Learn Class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. Is it clear to every student in this session that 1 upon 100, or you can say 0.01 is the answer? Is it clear, guys? Just confirm in the chat. It's a direct identity based question. If you remember the a cube minus b cube identity, you can do it within seconds. If you don't remember it, you'll find it like time taking to solve this. I hope it is clear to every student over here. So let's move on to the next one, guys. Can you try doing this question? If x by y plus y by, okay, there is a mistake over there. It is not x by y in the next one. There is a mistake. X by y plus y by x, okay? This is y by x. X by y plus y by x, I'll rewrite so that it is not confusing. X by y plus y by x, that is equal to minus 1, okay? This is given to be equal to minus 1. You have to find the value of x cube minus y cube. Can you try doing this one, guys? Yeah, that is a printing mistake, you can say, typing mistake. So this is a very famous question. It's not that it's a very rare type of question. You'll find this question in almost every book related to CBSE or ICSE, right? It's a direct question on the basis of these identities. Okay, so Ashutosh is getting 0. What about other students? Why are you guys not replying to these questions? What about you, Ryan? Just try doing this question. What about you, Sameer? Ansh? Okay, Sameer. No, life is still good. It's not like that. You just have to understand the concepts and life will be good once again. Okay, so can I just simplify this thing? I can take the LCM of the denominators. It will be xy, and over here you will get x square plus y square after simplification, and this is equal to minus 1 over here, right? Now if you cross multiply xy over here, what will I get? I'll get x square plus y square, that is equal to minus xy over here. Now I can take minus xy on one side of the equation. I can transpose it. So will I get x square plus xy plus y square, that is equal to 0. X square plus xy plus y square, that is coming out to be equal to 0. Now you have to find the value of x cube minus y cube. So you remember the identity, x cube minus y cube is x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. We have done this in the previous class. I did derive this identity as well in the previous session. So x cube minus y cube is x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. And you see we have got the value of x square plus xy plus y square. So the answer will be equal to x minus y into 0. Or you can say that the value of x cube minus y cube is 0. Is it clear to every student in this session? Tell me. Ryan, Sameer, Ashutosh, is this clear? Any doubt in this question, guys? So one of the important questions on the basis of the identity x cube minus y cube, and a similar question we did in the previous class in which we have to find the value of x cube plus y cube. So a similar question is like this only. It is given like this, that if x by y plus y by x, that is equal to 1, then you have to find the value of x cube plus y cube. So it is the same question over here as well. You will get x cube plus y cube is equal to 0 only. We are not doing, okay, no Sameer, we are not doing trigonometry over here right now. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. Okay, now we are going to do this famous identity, very important identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. It is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Very important identity, and it can also be written like this. Okay, it can also be written like this. So basically, first I'll prove the first part of this identity, and then I'll prove the second part of this identity, because although the proof of the first part is not asked in the examination normally, but the second part is asked in examination. Even in your school examinations it is asked. Obviously, Vansh, I cannot take random topics like this. We are working according to the syllabus, right? Grade 9 syllabus we are doing. We are doing chapter wise according to the flow of NCERT we are doing. I hope you understand that, Vansh. I'm not popping up random topics in between, right? If you have any doubt regarding these things, please ask, okay? So you see, let us prove this thing. If I take the left hand side of this, what is the left hand side of this identity, guys? It is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, okay? It is this thing over here. So let us prove this identity, because this question is a doubt of many students. So please try to understand the proof. It is very important to understand, right? Now we have studied in the previous session that this thing x cube plus y cube can be written like this or not, tell me. It can be written like this, x plus y the whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. I had explained this in the previous session. It is a series. You have to understand that you have to watch each and every session, because obviously in one session it is not possible to prove all the identities. I'll do class by class, right? So x cube plus y cube can be written as x plus y the whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. Now you see, plus z cube minus 3xyz will remain as it is. I hope that is clear. Now we just need to rearrange. Can I write it once again like this? X plus y the whole cube plus z cube. I can do that. I can just take this and this in same group, and then I can write minus 3xy into x plus y and minus 3xyz as it is. I hope it is clear. We are taking this and this in the same group, and this in the same group. I hope this thing is clear to every student over here. Now over here, can I use a cube plus b cube identity? Over here I can use a cube plus b cube identity, and that is what? A plus b. So that will be x plus y plus z, and then it is what? A square. It means x plus y the whole square minus ab. It means x plus y into z plus b square, that is z square over here. I hope it is clear. Now out of these two expressions, these two terms over here, can I take minus 3xyz as common, guys? Tell me. So I can take minus 3xy as common, not z, 3xy as common. So we will be left with x plus y plus z over here. I hope this thing is clear to every student over here. Now you see, out of this whole expression, can I take x plus y plus z as common? I can take x plus y plus z as common out of this whole expression. So I'll be left with what, guys? I'll be left with x plus y plus z I'm taking as common, and inside the bracket we will be having this thing, x plus y the whole square minus x plus y into z plus z square, and minus 3xy will be left. You see, minus 3xy will be left. I hope this thing is clear to every student over here. It's not very complex to understand. It's just a simplification. I hope this thing is clear. Now you see, I'll do it over here only so that it will not create any confusion. So what I can do over here, I just have to simplify this thing inside the bracket. So I'm left with what, guys? X plus y plus z over here. And then if I open up this x plus y the whole square, I know it is x square plus 2xy plus y square over here, guys. Now I can open up this bracket, so it will give us minus xz minus yz, and you see plus z square is there already, plus z square is there, and minus 3xy we are getting. I hope this thing is clear. Now you see, what are we getting? X square plus y square plus z square. So you see over here as well, x square plus y square plus z square, and you see over here minus yz minus xz, minus yz minus xz, and you see 2xy minus 3xy. It will give you minus xy only. So have I proved that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, it is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Is it clear, Ryan? Is it clear, Ashutosh, Sameer, Vansh? Any doubt in the derivation of this identity? This is a very important identity because if you do especially competitive examinations, most of the times you get a question on the basis of these identities. Any doubt in this thing, guys? Just confirm in the chat. Is this clear to everybody? Okay, so that was the proof of the first part. Now many a times in the examination, especially, which part is not clear, Ashutosh? Is it not clear? Okay, it is clear, right? Okay, Vinay, it is clear. Ashutosh, it is clear. Just confirm in the chat quickly so that we'll do the next thing, right? And we have to do some questions as well. It's not just doing identities. You have to do its application as well. Okay, Ashutosh. Okay, Vinay. Okay, now the second part is also asked to prove in the examination. It means you have to prove that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to this thing. So basically, see, first we have proved that this thing is equal to this thing, right? We have proved that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. So the first part we have already proved over here, right? Now what I will do, I will take this thing and then I'll prove it equal to this thing. This thing is asked in examination, again I'm saying, in your school specifically, and you must know it as well. So you see I'm taking this one, x plus y plus z, and it is what, guys? It is x square plus y square plus z square. It's a very simple proof, you'll understand immediately. X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, right? It is this. Now what I can do, can I multiply and divide by 2 over here? Obviously, I can multiply and divide by 2 over here. It's not a mathematical mistake, right? I can multiply and divide by 2. So will I get this equal to half into x plus y plus z over here? You see, this is z over here, and this 2 I'm taking inside this bracket. This 2 I'm taking inside this bracket. So will I get over here 2x square, 2y square, 2z square over here, and then we are getting minus 2xy minus 2yz and minus 2zx over here. I hope this part is clear up till here, right? Now we just need to rearrange this and we'll get the result. You see, this is nothing but half into x plus y plus z over here. Now can I not write the whole thing inside the bracket? Can I write it like this, x square minus 2xy plus y square? Now can I write it over here, y square minus 2yz, just see it properly, you'll understand it, plus z square, and can I write it like this, z square minus 2zx plus x square. Can I write it like this, guys? Do you agree with me? There is no identity like that, Ashutosh. X plus y plus z, the whole cube identity, we normally don't remember, right? I hope it is clear, Ashutosh. We don't normally remember it. You can do it as well, but it is not normally in your textbooks. Obviously, you can remember because in textbook, this identity is there, right? That's what I'm saying. There is no as such identity which you have to remember normally. I hope that is clear to you, Ashutosh. Otherwise, I would have explained it obviously. So you see over here, this is nothing but what, guys? X square minus 2xy plus y square is x minus y the whole square. Y square minus 2yz plus z square is y minus z the whole square. Z square minus 2xz plus x square is z minus x the whole square. So have we proved the whole thing over here, guys? That x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. I have proved the first part and then we did the second part as well. Any doubt in the proof of these things over here? Tell me. It is asked, the second part especially many a times it is asked in your school examinations. Therefore, I am explaining that. Z is not written in place of x. Sameer, you see, 2x square it is. So basically I'm using it 2 times over here. You see I'm using it 2 times. 2y square over here, I'm using it 2 times. 2z square over here, Samir. So I'm using it 2 times over here. I hope that is clear. I'm not writing something in place of some other thing. Any doubt in this thing, please confirm. Ashutosh, Samir, Vinay, Vansh. Is it clear now? Okay. Which part is not clear, Vinay? Which part is not clear? Just understand one thing. See, this part was clear or not? This was the first thing which I did. This is the first thing, na? So this part is clear to you already. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking this thing and I'm multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2. There is no mathematical problem in that. And half I'm taking in the, I'm keeping it like this only. And this 2 I'm taking inside this bracket. I can do that or not, Vinay? Tell me. In order to fix it, okay, that's okay, Vinay. I hope that is clear now. Now, the last result you have to understand, which is a very, very important result. Many a times you'll get questions on the basis of this result. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. It is very important to understand. I'll show you. See, what is the identity which we have done in the previous slide? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is what, guys? Minus 3xyz. This is equal to, this thing is equal to what, guys? This is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square. We remember this formula in the previous slide we did it. Plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, right? We did it in the previous slide itself. Now suppose you take this to be 0. If you will take x plus y plus z to be equal to 0, what will happen? 0 multiplied by anything is 0. The whole right hand side will become equal to 0 or not? Tell me. If x plus y plus z is 0, the whole right hand side will become equal to 0. So what will happen over here? It implies that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is also equal to 0. I hope that is clear. This thing is equal to 0. Now can I take it on the other side of the equation? So from here, will I get this thing, guys? That x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Not every time. Again I'm taking this is, again I'm saying this is a special result. When x plus y plus z is 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Is it clear, Samir, Vinay, Vijay? Any doubt in that thing? Just confirm that, Ashutosh. When x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. This is an important result. It must be on your tips. It is a very important thing. I mean, which is asked in many competitive examinations, at least up till grade 10, if you do NTSE, KVPY and all that. I hope this is clear. This is very, this is an important result, favorite result for those examiners. Hello, study assistant, welcome to the session. I hope it is clear to everybody in this session. Now, suppose I ask a simple question from you. Can you tell me what is the value of this thing? Suppose I find minus 55 the whole cube plus 100 the whole cube plus minus 45 the whole cube. Can you find the value of this thing and let me know it, guys? What will be its value without actually calculating the cubes? You don't have to actually calculate these cubes. Can you tell me the value without actually calculating these cubes? This is an NCERT question only. Can you let me know that, guys, that what is minus 55 cube plus 100 cube plus minus 45 cube over here? Because you were not there in this session since the start, Bat Gujar, obviously you have to understand that you have joined the class in between. Please go back, please watch the recording, Bat Gujar. I hope it is okay with you. Okay, so can you tell me that, guys? See, we have studied this result, we have understood this result. that if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz, right? So you see, what are these values? Minus 55, 100 and minus 45. What is the value of minus 55 plus 100 minus 45? Tell me. Isn't it equal to 0, guys? Minus 55 plus 100 minus 45 is 0. So it means it is of this form, x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So therefore x cube plus y cube plus z cube, it has to be 3xyz only. This is an important result. So 3 into minus 55 into 100 into minus 45 is the answer. Whatever may be the answer, you can obviously simplify and get the answer. I hope this thing is clear now, Bad Gujar. No, 3 will be there, Vinay. 3 will be there. If you missed 3 over there. Is it clear now? Whatever it is, Ashutosh, I mean, needless to say, just can multiply it. I was just explaining the logic over there. Is this clear? Now, this is one of the basic questions which you can get on the basis of this result. There are many other type of questions which can be asked on the basis of this result, and we'll be doing some of those questions in this session as well. So let's move on to the next slide and let's do the question on the basis of these results. Can you try doing this one, guys? If 3x is equal to a plus b plus c, then you have to find the value of x minus a the whole cube plus x minus b the whole cube plus x minus c the whole cube minus 3 into x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. Can you do this one and let me know the answer, that which part is correct over here? Okay, yeah. So try concentrating on the board, Bad Gujar, you'll be able to understand obviously. These are just tricky questions. You just have to understand that result. You will be able to do these questions. I mean, it's not nothing new over here. Try doing this and let me know the answer, guys. Okay, so Ashutosh is getting 0. What about other students? I can see that other students are not trying the questions. What's happening, guys? Ashutosh is getting D as well as 0 both. How is it possible, Ashutosh? 2 answers are not possible, only single correct is there. This is not multiple options correct over here. So you see, you understand the result over here. You see, it is x minus a the whole cube, x minus b the whole cube and x minus c the whole cube. Now can I find the sum of these things inside the cubes? Inside the cubes, what is the sum, guys? X minus a plus x minus b plus x minus c. We are finding the sum of the things inside the cubes over here. So what is that equal to? Isn't it 3x minus a plus b plus c, guys? Just see it properly. 3x minus a plus b plus c. Now you see, 3x is given to be equal to a plus b plus c. 3x is already given to be equal to a plus b plus c. So can I not say that this is nothing but 3x minus 3x only, and it is coming out to be 0. You got that logic? It means the things inside the cubes, their sum is coming out to be equal to 0. So the sum of their cubes will be what? Will it not be this, guys? Will this thing, the first part over here, is it equal to 3 into x minus a, x minus b, x minus c over here, guys? Tell me. Yes or no? Tell me. We have studied this result in the previous slide. Exactly, option B is correct over here. Is it clear? So this thing, x minus a the whole cube, x minus b the whole cube, x minus c the whole cube, that is equal to 3 into x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. So what is the ultimate result? This is nothing but, see, up till here we have calculated to be equal to 3 into x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. And then in the question itself it is minus of the same thing. You see, minus 3 into x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, minus of the same thing. So what does it mean? This thing and this thing, they are same. Something minus the same thing is 0. Option B is correct. Is it clear? Very good, Sneha, Ashutosh. No, option B is correct, Ashutosh. Yes, Vijay, option B is correct. Is it clear now? Bad Gujar, is it clear to you, this question? So you can tell it orally. See, I'm explaining it just for you. Maybe sometimes it can come in a subjective examination, then you have to write everything possible. But if it comes in an objective, as an objective question in a competitive examination, you just can see and understand, you can tick the correct option. Is it clear to every student in this session? Any doubt in this thing? Just confirm that in the chat, guys. Is this clear, guys? Vinay, Bad Gujar, Ashutosh, Sneha. Okay, no problem. See, Ashutosh, over here, if I see, Ashutosh, what is the sum of x minus a, x minus b and x minus c? First understand this. So, I am doing x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. Isn't it 3x minus a plus b plus c, Ashutosh? Tell me. Now, it is given in the question that 3x is equal to a plus b plus c. So, isn't it 3x minus 3x is equal to 0? Tell me, Ashutosh. So, what does it mean? That the things inside the cube over here, their sum is coming out to be 0. So, isn't it of this form, Ashutosh? X plus y plus z is 0. The things inside the cube, if it is coming out to be equal to 0, then x minus a the whole cube, x minus b the whole cube, x minus c the whole cube, it will be equal to 3 into x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. Is it correct, Ashutosh? Correct? Now, so it is 3 into x minus a, x minus b, x minus c minus 3 into x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. It is already given to us. So, what will I say? Something minus the same thing is 0. So, 0 is the answer. Is it clear now, Ashutosh? I hope this is clear now. Okay. Try doing this one, guys, and let me know the answer over here. Simple questions only. You just can see and tell the answer actually. The questions are fixed like that. These are not very tough. But yeah, you have to understand the result. If you don't understand the result, then you might find it to be tough. So what is the answer over here, guys? What happens, Sohan? Was the previous question not clear to you? So you see over here as well, it is given that p plus q plus r is equal to 9. So can I first check the sum of these numbers inside the cubes? What is that equal to? 3 minus p, 3 minus q, 3 minus r. What is this equal to, guys? So this will be equal to what? You see 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 3 is 9, and this is equal to 9 minus p plus q plus r. I hope this is clear up till here. Now you see p plus q plus r is already given to be equal to 9. P plus q plus r is already given to be equal to 9. So can I not say this is coming out to be 9 minus 9 and that is 0. 9 minus 9, that is 0. So the sum of the things inside the cubes, that is coming out to be 0. So therefore, isn't it of this form again? If x plus y plus z is coming out to be 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be equal to 3xyz. So in the same manner, this thing will be equal to 3 into 3 minus p, 3 minus q, 3 minus r. Is it clear, guys? 3 minus r over here. It means the first option is correct. Every time it will not be 0. You have to understand, it is not 0, Sneha, Soham, Ashutosh. Every time it will not be 0. Why it will be 0? You have to understand that from the context of the question. Why it will be 0 this time? Tell me. Is it clear to every student over here? Just confirm that, Ashutosh, Sneha, Sohan, Vinay. Again, I am saying this is one of the important results which will for sure come in the examination if you are doing some competitive examination. We can take first bracket as A. That's what I am saying. See, Ashutosh, if I take the thing inside the bracket to be Z, suppose, see over here, 3 minus P, suppose I am taking to be Z, 3 minus Q I am taking to be equal to, sorry, not Z, otherwise it will be confusing. Suppose I am taking the thing inside the bracket to be equal to X, Y, Z. I can take them to be equal to like this or not, Ashutosh? Tell me, X, Y, Z. Now you see, will the question be of this form, Ashutosh? Tell me. The question will be of this form or not? You got it? Now over here, if you add these, what will you get? If you suppose add X, Y and Z, what will you get? X plus Y plus Z, will it be equal to, if you add these things, will it be equal to 9 minus P plus Q plus R? Tell me that, Ashutosh. It will be equal to this. Now P plus Q plus R is given to be 9 in the question over here. So will it not be 9 minus 9 that is equal to 0? Tell me. So therefore x plus y plus z is coming out to be 0. See that, Ashutosh? So therefore x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be equal to 3xyz. Yes or no? But in place of x we have assumed 3 minus p. 3 minus p, 3 minus q and 3 minus r will be the answer over here. Is it clear now, Ashutosh? 3 minus q, 3 minus r. Therefore this is the answer over here. I hope this is clear to every student watching this. Any doubt in this? This must be crystal clear after this session to you. Okay. Now let us do one more question. Can you find the value of this thing over here, guys? If a plus b plus c is given to be equal to 0, can you find the value of this expression? B plus c the whole square upon bc plus c plus a the whole square upon ca plus a plus b the whole square upon ab. So all of these questions you must have seen if you're preparing for some competitive examination, someone or the other, maybe NTSE or KVPY, or maybe you're not there in 10th now, maybe you're preparing for SSC or something like that, right? So these type of questions, they are very common in every, maybe in R.D. Sharma, in R.S. Agrawal and in other competitive examinations book, these questions are very common. These are not very rare questions, I'm saying. So you must be knowing them. Try doing this. So in this question, if you will think of simplifying it like this, suppose you think of opening the bracket over here, right? If you will think that I'll open the bracket b square plus 2bc plus c square plus 2ac plus a square plus 2ab plus b square. It will take, okay, Sneha is getting 3. I don't remember the answer, Sneha. Let's see if it is correct or not. So it will waste your time. Maybe you'll get the answer, but it is going to waste your time for sure. You got that logic? So again, this is a trick based question and it will save your time if you do it using identities. See, if a plus b plus c is given to be equal to 0, this is given to be equal to 0. So can I not say over here that in place of b plus c, I can write minus a? Yes or no? In place of c plus a, I can write minus b, and in place of a plus b, can I write minus c? Tell me. You can understand this thing very easily. Because a plus b plus c is given to be equal to 0, so therefore b plus c is minus a, c plus a is minus b, a plus b is minus c. I can do right like this, guys. Yes. So what is the given expression equal to? You see, b plus c the whole square, so minus a the whole square divided by bc plus c plus a I can write to be equal to minus b, so minus b the whole square divided by ca plus a plus b the whole square I can write to be equal to minus c the whole square upon ab. I hope this thing is clear. Now what will happen over here, guys? I can further simplify. This is a square upon bc plus b square upon ca plus c square upon ab. I hope that is clear, right? Very good, that is correct. Yes, 3 is correct. So if I take the LCM of the denominators, what will happen? You see, AB, BC, AC, the LCM will be ABC only, na? It will be ABC only. That's how you take LCM. Now what you do, when you find LCM, what do? You divide this ABC by BC. Obviously you do that in your mind, but I'm explaining, therefore I'm telling that. So therefore you will get A square into A over here. In the same manner, B square into B over here. In the same manner, C square into C over here. I hope that is clear. So therefore this expression is nothing but equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube divided by abc over here. Correct? Now we have studied that if a plus b plus c is 0, you see a plus b plus c is given to be equal to 0. So therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to 3abc. This will be equal to 3abc over here. And divided by ABC is already there. This will get cancelled out. Therefore, 3 is the answer. Very good, Ashutosh and Sneha. Is it clear now to every student? Vinay, is it clear to you? Sohan, is it clear? Because we have studied this result, if a plus b plus c is 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube will come out to be equal to 3abc divided by abc. So therefore, 3 is the answer. I hope this thing is clear to every student watching this session. So guys, that's all we needed to discuss in this class. On the Infinity Learn Class 9 and 10 YouTube channel, Pratham series is going on for grade 9 students and Pioneer series is going on for grade 10 students in both math and science. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Infinity Learn Class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. And also don't forget to subscribe to the Telegram channel as well, so as to get the updates regarding sessions. Bye bye guys, we'll meet in the next session. Take care everybody.